Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are going to be making and canning honey mustard. So it's pretty simple. All you need is 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of mustard powder, 2/3 cup of water, 1 cup of honey, and 3 teaspoons of white sugar. So what we're going to do is transfer this all to a pot, boil it down, let it thicken up, and then can it. This is going to make about 3 cups, so about 3 to 4 pint jars of mustard. You can half this recipe, which the original one does call for, but we want to do it for the whole year, so we just doubled the batch. So let's go ahead and transfer that over. Okay, so your mustard powder, your apple cider vinegar, you've got the sugar, your water, and the honey. You can use any kind of honey for this. We just use a raw organic honey just to make sure it was nice and healthy for us. So we are just going to whisk this all together on the bottom. Make sure none of that honey is sticking. And you want to make sure all of the clumps of the mustard powder are all dissolved as well. And really just make sure it's all combined because you don't want chunks of mustard. And now we're going to turn this up to a medium-high heat. And we are going to cook this and continue stirring so nothing burns. You don't have to stir the whole time, just come in and stir every once in a while. And once this gets to a nice thick mustard consistency, at that point we will pull it off and begin to can it. Okay, at this point we've cooked it for a while, it's thickened up a bit, and we are going to put it into our sterilized mason jars. So I've got my funnel. We're going to give it about a 1/4 inch headspace. So about up to here. And we're going to use a damp or wet paper towel or cloth to wipe the rim of any debris. And then we're going to go in and get our warmed up lids. Put on the lid. Finger seal our band on it. And just be careful because everything's hot. The jar is hot, the lid is hot, and the mustard is hot. And then we're going to put this in a water bath for 15 minutes and let it process for 15 minutes. So after they processed for 15 minutes, we just let them sit in the water. We turned off the heat and let them sit and cool for about 5. And now we are taking them out. So this is what our honey mustard looks like in our jars. Thanks for following along on this canning tutorial. We're going to do some more stuff in the future, and we're really going to get some of those gardening videos pumped out now that Christmas is over. We will talk to you later. Bye.